The idea was to create a unique white and airy atmosphere. Using glass panels as walls allows the light to flow through all of the rooms. The apartment is about 30 square meters, 3.25 meters wide and 9 meters deep. My name is Jesús Huarte. I'm an architect. I'm the owner of Territorio de Arquitectura in Buenos Aires, Argentina.
Integrating hidden storage using curtains in clever ways and making your spaces more multi-purpose. Learn how to bring these and other genius ideas to life in your home. Reimagining small space living is now shipping worldwide from the US, Europe and Australia.
The apartment is located in Recoleta, a neighborhood in Buenos Aires. Recoleta is a residential neighborhood known for its Paris-style townhouses, lavish former palaces and posh boutiques. The building was built in the 70s and has always been residential. The client is a sensory artist that uses different smells to create her pieces. She's a very tidy and clean person who wanted a place in the central area of the city, where she could live and work. The apartment was in a very good location but lacked natural light. The balcony windows were the main source of natural light in this apartment. There was a small bathroom and kitchen. The living, dining, and sleeping areas shared the rest of the open space in the apartment. We increased the size of the bathroom and moved the kitchen out to the open space. The two windows that were in the bathroom and kitchen were enlarged and moved. I added another window to the dining area, which helped to brighten up the apartment. Metal and glass walls divided the kitchen, dining, and bedrooms. After you open the front door, there is a small hallway. We restored the oak floors using the pieces from the areas that would be covered by the new design. On the right, there is a long closet which goes from the entrance to the end of the kitchen area. At the entrance, the closet has space for shoes and coats. The kitchen is compact without being cramped. The main side is against the wall of the bathroom and has wide floating shelves for storing small art pieces. The countertop and splashbacks are made from a light green marble. On the other side, there is an island that can be used as a bar using the stool. There is also space for the washer-dryer machine here. We hang two pink pendant lights over the island to light the island surface, but also as an ambient room light in the evenings. A storage wall was placed along one side of the apartment to hide away the clutter. A white metal and glass wall divides the kitchen space and the dining area. As well as letting in light, it encourages interaction between the people in the kitchen and the dining areas. The dining area is kept quite minimal with a round white table and white chairs. In the evenings, there is a pendant light above to illuminate the table. The client doesn't watch TV, so a large sofa wasn't needed. Instead, there is a foldable mat that can transform into a floor seat or lies flat for when guests are over. We installed a swing made from wood and leather. This is another playful element in the apartment and doubles as a seat. It can be easily removed to free up the space when needed. Separating the dining area and bedroom is another metal and glass wall, this time with a door to maintain privacy when needed. There is a double-sized bed all in white and a built-in closet for the client's clothes. The bedroom opens up to a small balcony that looks out onto the neighborhood. When the balcony and bedroom doors are open, it can circulate air around the whole apartment. The bathroom is by the entrance and is where we wanted to experiment with colors to create a playful atmosphere. For the walls, we used white ceramic tiles and painted the wall on the top half in a dark green. The vanity is a light wood and the counter and the splashback is a soft green marble. We added a semicircle mirror above the sink and another on the wall. For the shower, a salmon curtain gives the corner a nice pop of color. The new larger window brings in more light than before and is great for air circulation. I believe in this idea of renovate and recreate the spaces. My philosophy is to find creative ways with the pre-existing space, the owner's desires and my own way of transformation, with useful, flexible and comprehensive solutions.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.